This is a Jolly Roger fire truck kiddie ride. It takes 2 P's. Ooh. Let's just... Ooh. There. Oh, it does a start button activation. It does a start button activation. It does a start button activation. Yeah, I took 1 coin. It does a start button activation. There's a fire truck. Nice fire truck. And it does a start button activation. It does a start button activation. Yeah, it's really funny. That fire truck does a start button activation. Here's the back. There's a potatoes. I can't read no code. Ooh. Spin the wheel. This fire truck. The start button. He did a start button activation. This fire truck. Good friendly fire truck. Yeah, it's a good friendly fire truck. This coin, it did the start button activation log. And that is the fire truck kiddie ride by Jolly Roger. And it does a start button activation.